Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari Internet Browser search engine suggestions on the iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then in here tap on settings. In settings you want to go down and tap on Safari. So we're going to go down and tap on the Safari, then tap on search engine suggestions switch to turn it on, off. Now if we switch it on, we can test it out. So now I'm going to go back to my home screen and open up a web browser. So in my web browser, I go to the search text box and I'm going to put in a keyword. Let's say I put in the keyword space. You can see here in the Google search section, it shows some suggestions. There are some other suggestions coming from Siri suggested website. Switch to tab, Google search. So Google search is the search engine suggestions. You can see it is currently suggesting a few options here: space jam 2, space jam, or spacey jane. So if I switch it off, if I go back into my settings and I switch off search engine suggestions, and now I go back to the Safari browser, and if I now put in the new keyword space, you can see search engines only shows my keyword that I put in the search box and not its own suggestions. And that's it. So that is the features of this functions and how you can turn it on or off by simply going to settings and then Safari. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.